When you had to vinyl wrap your roof on a 04 to 07 WRX. First things first, you want to get this weather strip off. You pretty much slide a card. There's going to be a clip and you slide it this way. Same thing, slide it this way. When you get over here, these clips are a little different. You're going to get them, there's like two little tabs right here. You're going to click them up, and then you're going to pull forward. I'll show you on the other side. And this is what I mean by the little sliding clip. You just push it forward, it'll let go of the clip. This has two little tabs. You get in between it and you clip them up, and then pull forward. What I'm doing right now is cleaning the surface so I have something clean to work with. Make sure it's easy when I put the weather stripping back on. The other side will be a little worse. Just trying to get it as clean as possible. You're going to use one of your debit cards, credit cards, whatever, gift cards. Just place them flat, start pushing down. Now I'm just prepping the surface. Container.
I had a little crease and I just lifted it back up and...
Let's cut it right here towards the middle. Being careful not to scratch the paint. Just prying it in. It's all tucked in now. Simple shit. I'm pretty much just tucking it in now. Just running it, tucking it. Towards the middle, just keep pressing it down. Keep sliding the little clips in to the hook. In, clip this in, slide it in, clip this in. There's like 5 of them. Final step, you're just gonna push in the clips. That's pretty much what we did right now. Pretty nice overall. I'm probably gonna put some black tint on the tail light just to give it some contrast. Need to put some wheels on there, some splitters. I bought some rims on Facebook, pretty cheap. I'm not sure if I should put them on or not.